Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How your gut flora impacts health. In medicine, flora is the term used to describe microorganisms on or within the human body, such as the gut flora, also called the gut microbiota and gut microbiome. When talking about flora in the context of the human body, the term refers to bacteria, yeast, and other fungi. /r/n/r/n This article discusses what the gut flora is and how it develops. It covers the functions of the gut flora, what happens when it's not balanced, and how to maintain a healthy gut. /r/n/r/n Gut flora refers to the world of microorganisms, predominantly bacteria, that populate our intestines. There are about 100 trillion such organisms in each human gastrointestinal (GI) tract. A variety of names are used to refer to this inner population of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. /r/n/r/n Research has been increasingly focused on trying to understand the role that gut flora plays in human health. It has become exceedingly apparent that the gut flora plays an important role in both our health and our vulnerability to disease. /r/n/r/n Babies are born with intestines believed to be either completely or mostly sterile. As they go through their mother's birth canal, they are exposed to the microorganisms in the vagina, which is the origin of the population of the microbiome. The microbiome is further populated by environmental exposure and intake of breast milk, formula, and ultimately food. /r/n/r/n Infants born via cesarean section, who don't travel through the birth canal, may have fewer microbes in the gut early on, but the differences go away by the time they're 6 months old, thanks to environmental exposure and the nutrients they consume. The makeup of the gut flora then continues to evolve throughout our lifespan. /r/n/r/n The substances secreted through the process of digestion affect where gut bacteria develop. Stomach acid, bile acid, and pancreatic enzymes typically prevent the colonization of bacteria in the stomach or the beginning section of the small intestine. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth is a health problem in which excess bacteria are found in the small intestine. /r/n/r/n Therefore, gut bacteria are found to some extent in the last part of your small intestine, but overwhelmingly so in your large intestine. It is estimated that there are more than 1,000 types of microbes in your body. A 2015 study reported that these microbes make up anywhere from 25% to 54% of your stool. /r/n/r/n This world of microorganisms is separated internally from your body through a single layer of cells on your large intestine known as epithelial cells. /r/n/r/n As stated above, your gut flora is a key player in your health. Its most important roles have to do with immune system protection, metabolism, and brain health. For these important functions, there needs to be an optimal amount of friendly bacteria. Let's take a look at each of them. /r/n/r/n There appear to be two ways in which our gut bacteria support our immune system. The first is that helpful bacteria provide direct protection for the lining of our large intestines, keeping out substances that would be harmful to us. When this system is compromised, a state of increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut syndrome, may be present. /r/n/r/n The second way is that favorable gut bacteria work with the immune system at the level of the lining of our intestines to fight against disease-causing bacteria or other substances. /r/n/r/n Our gut flora plays an important role in providing us with vitamins and other nutrients essential to our health. The microbiome also interacts with carbohydrates that were not digested in the small intestine, such as resistant starch and FODMAPs. This interaction provides further nutrients, encourages epithelial cell growth, and modulates fat storage. /r/n/r/n The gut microbiome is involved in the processing of dietary fiber, which leads to the production of helpful acids in the body, such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These in turn can help with liver, insulin resistance, appetite, and more. Indole propionic acid, also associated with gut flora and fiber intake, may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. /r/n/r/n The gut microbiota helps our bodies assimilate vitamins. It's also involved in the production of vitamins B and K. The B vitamins aid the body in making energy from the food we eat, as well as help form red blood cells. Vitamin K helps make proteins for your bones and tissues and for blood clotting. /r/n/r/n The gut flora can also interact with your medications, both being affected by them and influencing their mechanism of action. Studies have shown that small changes in the gut microbiome can cause large changes in people's responses to chemotherapy and immunotherapy for cancer treatment, as well as biologics for autoimmune disorders. /r/n/r/n Gut flora plays an essential role in maintaining the function of the central nervous system, which includes your brain and spinal cord. For example, the microorganisms help with the generation of serotonin, which in turn affects many aspects of human behavior. Changes in gut microbiota have even been shown to increase anxiety in mice. /r/n/r/n The gut flora can also regulate the permeability of the blood-brain barrier, which means guarding the brain from harmful blood-borne toxins. In some animal studies, an imbalance in the gut was shown to be an important factor in neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and autism spectrum disorder. /r/n/r/n An unhealthy balance of gut flora, also called dysbiosis, can lead to the following digestive symptoms. /r/n/r/n It is now recognized that a less than optimal composition of gut flora can also contribute to health problems, both digestive and non-digestive. An unhealthy balance of gut flora, a state known as dysbiosis, can contribute to health conditions such as /r/n/r/n Certain lifestyle changes can help optimize your gut flora. These include /r/n/r/n Your gut flora, also known as gut microbiota or gut microbiome, consists of trillions of microorganisms, predominantly bacteria. It plays a crucial role in your metabolism, immune system, and brain health. /r/n/r/n An imbalance in gut flora, known as dysbiosis, can contribute to many health conditions, including diabetes, IBD, IBS, and lupus. To keep your gut balanced, consider lifestyle adjustments such as eating a fiber-rich diet, avoiding smoking, exercising, and minimizing antibiotic use. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.